Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in this episode I'm going to assemble or build the Tarantula. Okay, Tarantula. Alright, let's see how complicated this is. Right, so the plate, okay, it's only one plate. Probably it will just take me an hour, hopefully. Alright, I think this is just an easy build, only one page. Alright, so without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, I am now in my last assembly. This is actually a pretty easy build. It only took me an hour. Now it's actually around 50 minutes though. Okay, so the final components will be just in this area here. So let's just start it. Alright, so I think we are done. So this is actually just an easy build. So it took me an hour, if I am not mistaken. But this is actually look nice, as you can see. So this is the Tarantula. Very easy build. Alright, so I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this, and hope to see you again on my next build. Goodbye.